Greetings, everyone. Welcome to the Tenorshare channel. In some cases, it may be necessary to restore your iPhone 17 to factory settings, which could be due to forgetting your password or erasing all data before selling or transferring the device. Restoring an iPhone to factory settings is a routine operation. If you encounter this situation, there is no need to worry. In this video, I will explain in detail how to restore your iPhone to factory settings. Generally, resetting an iPhone requires going to Settings and performing an erase of all content and settings. However, when unable to unlock the iPhone, it's necessary to enable recovery mode for iPhone reset. There are also other ways to reset your iPhone if you encounter errors with iTunes. It's important to note that resetting an iPhone will erase all stored content and settings. Choose the reset option carefully. Method 1. Use Apple ID to unlock iPhone. This process involves deliberately entering the wrong password multiple times. For devices running iOS 17 or later, the Forgot Password option will appear directly on the Unavailable screen of the iPhone. Click Forgot Password, and then the Apple ID option will appear. Selecting this option will reset your iPhone, erasing all data, including the password. The system will prompt you to enter your Apple ID password to sign out of the account. After that, your iPhone will begin the reset process. If you have a backup, simply set it up as a new device during the reset, and you can restore data during the setup process. Method 2. Erase iPhone using iCloud. This option requires Find My iPhone to be enabled and the device to be connected to the internet. Open the Find app on your iPhone. Then select Devices at the bottom, and then choose the iPhone you need to reset from the list. Select Erases to start the data wiping process. Follow the prompts. Click Continue, click Erase, and enter your Apple ID and password to complete the reset. Once this process starts, your iPhone will begin to reset. Please wait for it to restart, and after the reset, your iPhone will be restored to its original state. You can reset your iPhone. Method 3. Restore iPhone with iTunes. If Forgot Password does not appear on your iPhone, you can use iTunes. You need to put your iPhone into recovery mode and connect it to your computer using a data cable. Then press and hold the up button, press and hold the volume down button, and finally hold the power button until you see the recovery mode screen. iTunes will display a message asking whether you want to restore or update. Choose Restore and follow the on-screen instructions. Your device will reset and unlock automatically. However, iTunes can sometimes malfunction or run slowly, in which case I recommend using 4U-Key, which is a more convenient and user-friendly method. Method 4. Use Tenorshare 4U-Key. 4U-Key can help you unlock your iPhone without a password, even if it shows that the iPhone is unavailable. You can find the download link in the video description. First, connect your phone to the computer. Then put your phone into recovery mode. Press and hold the up button, press and hold the volume down button, and then hold the power button until you see the recovery mode screen. Once the device is in recovery mode, click Start, and 4U-Key will detect it and offer the option to download the latest iOS firmware. After the download is complete, start the unlocking process. The whole process takes about 10 minutes. Once completed, your iPhone will restart and you can set it up again. It is important to note that all of these methods will erase everything on your iPhone. If you have a backup, you can restore your data afterward. Also, ensure you know your Apple ID and password, as you will need them to reactivate your device after a reset. I hope this video has been instrumental in helping you fix your device. Please do not hesitate to leave a like and subscribe to our channel.